Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy's 2003 to 2014 Express 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting this repair. Step 2. Lift the rear of the van and remove the fuel tank. Remove any lines or brackets in the work area. Step 3. This frame kit includes a perforation for the forward fuel tank crossmember. If the crossmember or frame beneath it is compromised, remove the crossmember. If both are acceptable, remove the accommodating perforation from the repair section by cutting along the pre-cut lines. Step 4. Cut the metal piece off the bottom of the frame rail, as this kit has a replacement for it built in. Grind away any slag, debris, or excess metal to create a smooth surface. Spray the surface with weld-through primer. Step 5. Paint the inside of the kit, which will make contact with the frame rail with rust protectant. Once the paint is dry, slide the frame section in place and align it using the frame holes. C-clamp the frame section to hold it in place while you weld. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then weld all edges of the frame section. If you did not remove the perforations in Step 3 and remove the crossmember, install a replacement now, then fill in the perforation lines in the frame section via welding. Step 7. Paint the frame section and work area and any remaining raw metal. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall any lines or brackets that were moved in Step 2, then reinstall the fuel tank.